out today for a short little run just to see where we can get to, see how the road conditions are. It's still really early in the season to be getting out, but you never know how far we can get. This road looks like it's been plowed for active logging, but the roads look pretty decent. Welcome to the Unexpected Off-Road. Kick back and enjoy some beautiful views. On today's journey, I'm going solo. Sometimes that's the best way to get out there and explore. Has so many great places to explore, just like this beautiful lake. Last summer, we had a pretty bad wildfire season, and off to the right here you can see the fire break. This was the Bunting Road wildfire, and at over 7,000 hectares, it was quite a large wildfire. And I'd like to say a big thanks to the firefighting crews out there that brought this really large fire under control. Man, their work was well appreciated. Last fall, I camped on the other side of the lake, and you can see all the ash from the fire that landed on the beach. It literally looked like charcoal was just scattered everywhere on the beach. So if you look across the lake, way up top there, that snow-capped mountain, that's Mara Fire Lookout, one of my favorite places to go in the summer. So this is going to be the end of the road for me today because I'm by myself and I don't want to get too far down a trail that's not been plowed, and I'm kind of to the end of the road here. I'm going to go down and check out this wreck site and see what I can find down there, and I'll let the snowmobilers have this trail until the end of the season. One of my favorite things is watching for wildlife. Check out this big owl that flew right across in front of me. Well, we seem to have made it to the end of the line here, and I thought I'd get down to the wreck site, but it's under a lot of snow. Yeah, we're not gonna make this one today. It's time to turn around and go back. This is a fun trip. You never know this time of year if you can get into places because sometimes the snow can be pretty deep if it's not plowed. Lake is approximately 35 kilometers long and a maximum depth of 630 feet with the Shuswap River flowing through it. I don't normally tell people to go out by themselves. This is my solo trip, and this was late in the season. It's not really snow wheeling. I would call it really light snow wheeling because the snow's pretty thin, and there's a base, you know, you can see the ground through it basically. So you got a pretty good chance of getting through it. Yeah, it could be melty and water on top of it, a little slick, but if you drive really careful, you can get through this kind of stuff. Like I said, I just get to a certain point where the snow is, getting deeper, and I just don't want to go by myself. Never recommend getting into deep snow by yourself, because once you get stuck, you need a way to get out. And if you have a winch, sometimes the winch will do it, and sometimes you'll be stuck there because your winch can't pull you out. This was a pretty decent little landslide, and as I drove by, I could hear the rocks falling down the hill. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. It gets my videos out to awesome people just like you.